Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I've got this 2013 Vauxhall Corsa D. It's got a crank no start problem. So this crank no start problem is something I've actually caused. The original problem was the water pump pulley bolts working loose. As you can see, it started rubbing into mounting. So I fixed that problem, and it also launched the drive belt, so I had to replace the drive belt, which meant taking this air box off, taking the engine mount off, and then putting the new tightening up the bolts. I've Loctited them so they're not going to go anywhere. Put a new belt on, put it all back together. It'd run the battery down because, like I said, it had launched a drive belt, so alternator wasn't spinning, wasn't putting juice into the battery, and it run the battery down. So I put it on charge overnight. It's fully charged. All I can think of is airflow, because obviously I took all this off, and it's probably thrown it out because I did have jump leads on it, and it was cranking over. It just won't start. Anyway, we'll give it a go. Crank it over, and we'll see if it starts. Well, I'm not expecting much here. I'm expecting to crank over and not start. And there we go, we've still got the problem. So I think the first thing to do is hook up the laptop and see if we've got any error codes. Like I said, I'm suspecting airflow meter because it's been disconnected. That's the only thing that's been disturbed that could possibly cause any problem, so we get the laptop onto it. So got the software running, Vauxhall. We'll just turn the ignition on. We'll see if it'll pick up this car. Try automatic identification, see if it picks it up. No, so we'll go back. You know, it's 2013 because I checked it on the DVLA website, run the playthrough, and it's definitely it was registered in October 2013. So choose that. It's a Corsa D. And it's picked it up, so let's have a look. Just run some diagnostics. So try to read all fault codes. No. Show all fault codes. Invalid signal from BCM, and no campus communication with the entertainment head unit. Try to clear all fault codes. Thinking them should cause it to not start. So cleared everything. Let's look. Go back. Right, so I think we'll try something slightly different. Corsa D. Engine. Not sure which engine this is, so check that. Okay, this is a 1.2. I'll go for the Z12XEP, don't know if it's right. Seems to have picked it up. Fault codes. Just try it again. That says there's no fault code, so what we've cleared hasn't come back. So we'll just try crank it over, see if it works. So moment of truth. No, not working. Right, okay, I'll show you what happens when I've got jump leads on it. I've got Citroen hooked up. Badly. I've got running all four with it, so I think I've got to pick your feet on this one. The owner's car should get a pulley out.